Hi, this is a video for online assignment 2. This assignment has 2 parts. Part 1, students are to read the Lesson A, What is Engineering section of the page and answer the questions. Part 2, students will complete the activity by reading through the Introduction to Engineering PowerPoint and then answering the questions. You're going to want to download this Google Doc, which will look like this. Okay. Then go to your Project Leadway page. Project Leadway Gateway Notebook Dividers is the first section. You're going to read this section right here. You'll come down and you're going to answer this question right there. Once you're finished with that, we're going to come down, click on the Introduction to Engineering section, where once again we will read the introduction. You scroll down, you'll see that there is your PowerPoint, that when you click on this, you'll download the PowerPoint that you will read and use that PowerPoint to answer the following questions. You do not have to do the conclusion questions. When you are done with this, you will go ahead and download it back to Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, please contact me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.